Welcome back. In this lecture, we perform the crucial task of deserialization, converting raw JSON text into usable Python objects. We will use the json.loads function, where the S stands for string, indicating that we are loading data from a string. 1. Preparing the JSON string. We import the JSON module and define a string that holds our JSON data. This string could represent data received from a web API or read from a file. Notice that, in Python, this JSON is just a plain str type which cannot be accessed by keys like a dictionary. Two. Parsing the string using json.loads. We pass the JSON string directly into json.loads. The function automatically converts the JSON object notation into a native Python dictionary. The type of Python_data is now dict, making it fully functional for Python operations. Three. Accessing and modifying data. Since Python_data is now a dictionary, we can access its values using familiar dictionary key notation, like grabbing the version. We can also modify the data, just as we would any standard Python object, changing the version number or appending a new string to the tags list. This is the whole point of deserialization, making the data natively accessible. To summarize, json.loads is your tool for turning JSON text into usable data. Our next lecture 40.03, Parse JSON to file. See you there.